Ponce was just 19, he joined Christopher Columbus on his second voyage to the New World. What's the New World like, sir? It's very exciting and full of adventures. The voyage across the sea took several months and was very hard work. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Avast your tongue, we'll be there soon enough. Sir, I think I see land. Let me see. Yes, you're right, there is an island. Later this land will be called Puerto Rico. My orders from the king are to colonize this land and slave the natives. We will not let you take our land. Won't just go home. We win. We would have won if you hadn't given us smallpox. Where are we going now? I've heard rumors of lands on the earth, and I want to be the first to find them. Look, I see land. Ooh, it's so pretty. Yes, it's very lush. I say we shall call it Florida. So, are we here to look at Fountain Views? Yeah, that story's been around for hundreds of years, but I'm more interested in land and gold. But if we do find it, I may take a drink. Now what? I think we should go back to Spain and tell the king about my discoveries. In the year 1531, I found a new place I named La Florida. Wow, for this I shall make you a knight. Thank you, sir. I feel honored. I plan to go back to Puerto Rico and to prepare to colonize Florida in the name of Spain. Yay. let's set up here. It's a nice flat area. We will not have our land taken over. This arrow has been dipped in the sap of the mansion elm tree, one of the most poisonous trees in the world. Whatever. Ow! Retreat! Retreat! Sadly, I have to finish this story without Ponce. Because of the arrow shot by the native, Ponce de Leon died of his wound in Cuba and was buried in Puerto Rico. The end.
I choose someone who hasn't given a star and a wish yet. So if you have already given stars and a wish, put your hands down, please.
Samantha.
I really like your set and your stage. Those are really cool, and I also like how you use humor. And my wish is I don't really have a wish.
Take it as a compliment, Maya.
Now everyone, shall take a bow.
One more star and a wish, Maya Papaya.
Okay, so my first star is I really like how you took the time and effort to build your stage and everything else. And my second star is I liked how you use expressions in your voice. And I don't have a wish.
I don't have a wish either, Maya. You had the historical context. You had a lot of knowledge of the topic. You made connections to Age of Sail. You pronounced all the vocabulary correctly, which is fantastic. And it looks like you practiced this quite a few times because you knew your props very well. Round of applause for Maya.